I'm always listening, laughing, and eating. Hey, what am I always doing?
Listen, laughing, and eating.
Yeah, you gotta believe it. You know, I got a 2-minute party for White Rock. 2-minute party. How long's my party? 2 minutes. Yeah, hey, just don't tell the ladies, you know. Hey, tell them it's like 5 minutes, you know. Hey, I'm original, you know. I'm original Johnny. I'm the original 5-minute party, you know. Hey, you know. So I tell you, my friend Horny Harry, you know, he took me on the SkyTrain yesterday. Horny Harry, you know, he's always horny. Hey, Harry's always what?
Horny!
Yeah, you better believe it. I go, how you doing, Horny Harry? He goes, you know, original, I ain't doing so good. And I go, what's up, Horny Harry? He goes, I can't get it up no more, original. I go, I'm sorry to hear that. Try Viagra. He goes, hey, it's too expensive. I bought a cheaper version. I go, how'd that work out? He goes, not so good. I go on a date, you know, I go to the movies. Things are hot. I go to dinner, things are looking good. We go back to my place, things are cooking, so I take a pill. I go, hey, Horny Harry, how'd that go for you? He goes, not too good. I threw up all over her, you know. I threw up all over her. And I go, hey, I'm sorry to hear that. What'd she say? And she says, hey, original. She goes to me, hey, Horny Harry, that's not exactly what I wanted to come out of you. Yeah. The only one who thinks this is funny. Hey, how you doing, White Rock? You know? You know, I got a girlfriend now. My grandma's so proud of me. She goes, hey, original, you got a girlfriend. Good for you. I say, thank you, Grandma, you know. And she's nice looking and she got manners, you know. Nice looking and manners. I love her, you know. She goes, original, go to Metrotown for me. Get me the alarm clock. I go, for you, sweetheart, I'm going to Metrotown. Where am I going for my sweetheart? Yeah, you better believe it. So I'm partying on the SkyTrain. I'm hitting Patterson Station, you know. I'm always partying at Patterson Station. Hey, what station am I partying at? Patterson! So I see this guy, he goes, hey, you want to buy an alarm clock? I go, hey, you know what? Yeah, I do. How much? He goes, $5. I go, I'll buy that. Thank you very much, you know. I go back, see my sweetheart, give her a box. I go, alarm clock's in there, sweetheart, you know. She goes, you're the best, original. I go, hey, thanks so much, you know. So anyways, you know, she opens it up. It's a porno movie. And she goes, original, what's going on here? It's supposed to be an alarm clock. And I go, sweetheart, no, you don't understand. The guy at the SkyTrain station, he goes, every time you put it in, it gets you up. I'm the only one who thinks this is funny. Yeah, keep partying, White Rock. We'll see you later. Yeah.